Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you what's inside this June Scrawlr box. Okay, what's inside this month's box? We have, let's open this first. We've got a sticker and description and what appears to be watercolor pencils by Derwent. I have never tried Derwent's watercolor pencils, but I do own a set of watercolor pencils by Faber-Castell, which are really nice to work with. So we've got terracotta, ivory black and Prussian blue. We do have a brush, sea white, number 8. Hello Bobby. My cat just joined me. I think she's hungry, so I have to make this quick. I assume there's more there are more watercolors in there. You have to wait, Bobs. Jackman's Art Materials, mint green shimmer. Not sure this is. Oh, okay. Green fingers now. So we've got mint green shimmer, pearlescent pink shimmer, pearlescent silver shimmer, and so that's that. I will have to read up what these are actually, if this is watercolor paint or I don't know what this is. It does shimmer a bit on my fingers. Okay, so we have also obviously something to paint on, which is a gold line watercolor studio pad with 10 sheets, cold pressed. And we also have the magazine. These were from April, paintings from April. Then we've got the description of the materials and tips. Featured artist. And forgotten, there's also a suite. Looks interesting. And this is the artist. Featured artist is called Tessa Harris, and Tessa lives in Wales, where I live. So have to see what this month's challenge is. Hang on, maybe I can find it. Should say here, ethereal entity. I think this is how you pronounce it. No idea what to do with that prompt. I'll have to have a think. Might not come up with anything. Okay, I will try these out and then I will try my hand at a painting. The watercolor pencils by Derwent are supplied in the colors Prussian blue, ivory black and terracotta. They are easily blendable and can be used with and without water. The retail price of each pencil is £1.99. All 3 pencils cost £5.97. The Jackman's Pearlescence watercolor pots have a creamy watercolor paint of professional grade watercolors with added pearlescent particles which makes them shimmer. They are also light-fast and can be mixed with other watercolors. The colors in the box are mint green, pink and silver. Each pot contains 5 grams of paint. The retail price of each pot is £4, and the cost of all 3 pots is £12. The Sea White Round synthetic brush is a number 8 and retails at £1.69. The A5 watercolor pad by Goldline is cold pressed and has 10 papers which have a weight of 200 GSM. The paper is made of cotton fibers and it is also acid free. The retail price for the pad is £2.99. The total value of the box comes to £22.65. I am starting with the watercolor pencils first. I am testing the pearlescent colors starting with the mint green. Mixing the pink and the mint green results in a nice purple. I hope you can see the shimmering effect here. And here I am painting over the dry colors. I wanted to see how the pearlescent colors look on black paper, so I tried it on the paper that came with the previous box. This is not watercolor paper though. As you can see, the silver shimmers the most, while it's harder to see with the green and pink and the mixed color. This is the painting by featured artist Tessa Harris, who lives in Wales. I couldn't really think of anything that fits the prompt, to be honest, so I ended up painting seahorses. I think they're adorable and I'm currently into painting fish and other sea creatures. I started with a pencil first, then used the black watercolor pencil and then used the paints. I didn't use the blue or terracotta much in the painting, only for one of the seahorses. I also used my size 12 round brush for the background and the thicker lines. For the final outline of my seahorses I used the Derwent line maker that came in last month's box. I hope you can see the slight shimmer of the paints. Personally, I think this would look better on black watercolor paper. I like this month's box, even though I already have high-quality watercolor pencils from Faber-Castell. I also think they could have opted for different colors to replace the terracotta and black. The Jackman's paints are vibrant and will come in handy when I want to work on black paper. I also like the brush. It keeps its point, which makes it easier if you want to add finer detail. If you have watched last month's video, you know that I was rather disappointed with the brush they supplied in the May box. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you have suggestions for other videos you want me to make, let me know too. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate to this channel via PayPal, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching and happy painting until next time.